Do another one. Do a somersault. Woo! Good job. Dance, Weston. Dance. You quit. You do another one?
Yep.
Wow, look at you. He didn't even put his hands down that time. What are you doing? No, don't take your pants off. Weston, don't take your pants off. Oh my gosh. Dance, Weston, dance. What are you doing? Don't smack yourself in the head. You guys are crazy. Weston, what are you doing? This is a typical evening at our house.